Shri Tiruchi Siva.
Thank you, Mr. Vice Chairman, sir. Sir, India is the largest democracy in the world. And where we are standing now is the temple of democracy. And the riot has taken place in the capital of India. And we have been waiting for 7 days, not waiting, sir, fighting for 7 days to bring a discussion in this August House. Sir, as some people demanded, we don't expect a resignation from the Home Minister, sir, because he is not Lal Bahadur Shastri. We expect him at least to come from North Block to the Parliament, because the executive is accountable to the Parliament. This is a debating forum. When such an incident has happened, as the lives of human beings have become so cheaper, sir, 56 people have been killed. So many are injured and being hospitalized. And this 56 is an official account, and we do not know the exact number of people who have been killed. And it is not the responsibility of the government or the Home Minister who is responsible to come to the Parliament and give a statement at least. What has happened? And sir, and now they are accusing that it has been triggered or orchestrated by the anti-CAA protesters. Sir, let me through you, sir, tell. The anti-CAA protest is not happening only in Delhi. It is across the country. Why it has not happened anywhere else? Sir, I humbly submit, sir, to the August House. They conduct meetings, the anti-CAA protesters, Muslim people, yes. You know what their slogan is? Let us uphold the sovereignty of India. And on the Shamiana of the place where they are protesting, the flag which is being there is Indian national flag and not any other national flag. And sir, 5 days the Muslims are doing namaz. And 5 times they are worshipping this soil of India, neither I nor anybody else here. We have to respect them. They say we are Indians. We have lived here for generations. We have apprehensions because of the CAA, because of the NRC, because of the CAA. Sir, let me now seek a clarification from the Home Minister. After your amendment to the Citizenship Act was made, 4 lakh Muslims are left in Assam itself as per the NRC. What are you going to do with them? Are you going to quarantine them or send to some foreign country, any other country from a secular country that they have been persecuted? So also, sir, the NRC, the whole of India is having an apprehension. That's why the protests are going on. Our leader, Stalin, has said that we will not cooperate. Many state governments have announced that they will not implement NRC. Why not a statement from the Home Minister? A clarification which is much sought about the NRC has not been given or laid anywhere else, even at least in the Parliament. Second, sir, why it happened only in Delhi? Because of the hate speeches of some people. And why it has not been happened? It has not happened anywhere. And what is that, the Anurag Thakur statement? What is that? Goli Maro was not told anywhere else. It was in Delhi. And another person who has no authority, was a former MLA of the ruling party, has given an ultimatum to the police. You have to vacate the protesters today night. Or after Trump leaves the country, our party will do that. And after that, the violence broke out. The High Court said that action has to be taken on that person. The judge was transferred, whereas no action was taken. Sir, we would like to ask from you. Even in the Lok Sabha yesterday, you said it is being looked into. Sir, a speech which has triggered a very big carnage, very big damage to this country, and a sort of feel of fear in the minds of the people. Sir, action has not been taken. Rather, they are going around with protection. And so also the NSA was deployed after 3 days that it has happened. Silence has become the source of chaos. Sir, one of the Holocaust survivors, a Nobel Prize winner, Mr. L.A. Weil has said, I never be silent wherever and however human beings are subject to suffering and humiliation. Sir, silence helps only the tormented and not tormentors and not the tormented. Who were silent, sir? The police. The police were involved in 2 things. Either they were silent spectators to the riots that were happening, or they charged and attacked those people who were protesting. Sir, they say the police, sir, Honorable Home Minister says the police has done a good job. Yes, good job. Let me, sir, humbly request you. There are some bullets even in the child and those people who have been killed. Send it to forensic and let it prove whose bullet is that. The police has not given protection. Sir, the police reforms which calls for the Supreme Court judgment and other committees have suggested that police should be accountable. No, they are only mute spectators. When the masked mobs enter into JNU, police was mute spectator. No action was taken against anybody. Who was the mob? Who came masked? Nobody knows. What happened to the Jamia attack? Nothing was taken place. And now in Delhi, sir, it is only a fear that is being created in the mind of the anti-protesters. If you are involved in that, something will happen. Because a caution is being given by someone on the road, in public. If you don't vacate, we will vacate you. If you don't vacate, we will charge you, we will kill you, and everything is happened. Sir, ambulances were not allowed to move. People were not able to move from one place to other place. Even displaced people now, they are living in their relatives' house. Some people take asylum, of course, in some individual places. And some people make arrangements. What has the government done to them? So these are the genuine questions we are asking, sir. What all happening, only to conceal the real happenings. The Indian economy is sinking and going down. It is only to conceal all these things. Sir, the recent, on the eve of the Women's Day, the report has come that the workforce of women in this country has plummeted from 37% to 18%. So all these things are being concealed. So, sir, we urge, if at all you have to bring the truth, if something more is not to happen, that's what, 1 week, sir, this house and other house, we were, sir, raising was what for? Only for a discussion. After either the Home Minister should have given a suo motu statement or after listening to the debate and deliberations of various political parties. Yes, it is our concern. It is not only an accusation. We are concerned about the people who have died in this country, rather, who have been killed. And you should have responded to us. Neither the Prime Minister nor the Home Minister has given, sir. Sir, silence is the worst thing. I would like to conclude with only one word. As I said earlier, and I would request that an independent inquiry headed by a retired Supreme Court judge must be immediately arranged by the Home Minister. And you have to give a very clear picture of what you are going to do with the NRC and the NPR, which has created some doubts and fears in the minds of the people. At the end of the day, sir, we don't remember the words of our enemies, only the silence of our friends. Thank you very much.
Thank you. श्री स्वप्नदास गुप्ता 2 मिनट ही हैं आपके